Apologies, here is another example for the surface area of prisms. This is the third example. And so in here, I notice again my prism is tilted on its side, and the base, how do we know that that's the base? If we have two of the same, that means that that's the base, okay? The rectangles, if you notice, there are 3 rectangles, but for the bases, there are only 2. So what kind of base do I have in here? It's a triangle. So the surface area, again, if you recall, is 2 multiplied by the area of the base plus the lateral area. And in this case, the base is not a rectangle like we saw in the previous 2 examples. So I'm just going to bring this because of the 2 bases. But for the area of the base is the area of a triangle. And this triangle is going to be base times height divided by 2. Or some people would know it as 1/2 base times height, which is going to give you exactly the same thing. And for the lateral area, remember that is the perimeter of the base multiplied by the height of the prism. Okay? And so let's see in here, we have that the base is for the base, the base is 4. The height of that triangle, even though you can't really see it, is a 6. Okay, 4 times 6, that's for the base times height, divided by 2 because it's a triangle. For the area of a triangle, we'll always divide by 2. And so also remember that we solve this part first and then we go back to the lateral area. Okay, so 2 times 4 times 6 is 24 divided by 2. And so that's 24 divided by 2 is 12. But then that's the area of only 1 base, but we have 2 bases, so that's 24. Now, for the perimeter, remember that for the perimeter, what we do is add the sides of the base. In this case, the base is a triangle, so we're going to add 7 plus 7 plus 4. 7 plus 7 plus 4. And so the perimeter is 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 4 is 18. And so the perimeter is 18. The height of the prism is 12. And so 12 times 18. 2 times 8 is 16, carry 1. 2 times 1 is 2. And 1 is 3. Or you can just say 18 plus 18 is 36. 1 times 18 is 18. You add, or 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. You add them, so it's 6. 11, carry 1, 2. So it's 216 for the lateral area. And now I'm just going to bring it down because we need to add it to the total of the 2 bases, the area of the 2 bases. So together we have 6 plus 4 is 10, carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 1 is 4. And then the 200. So the total surface area of this triangular prism, okay, triangular, is 240, and it's squared centimeters. Remember that area is always squared, okay? It doesn't matter if it's just the area of one figure, if it's complex areas, or if it's surface areas, all of them are always going to be squared. Now you can add this video to 11.8 and have fun.